everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send automated emails to Google Ads leads using SMTP by Pabbly. So let's suppose I'm running a real estate agency and promoting this with the help of Google Ads. Now I want to send emails to all these leads whenever I receive lead with the help of Google Ads with the help of SMTP by Pabbly and save all these details automatically in my Google Sheets. So I can do this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. Here I just need to build connection between Google Ads, SMTP by Pabbly and then Google Sheets. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take Google Ads from where I will receive new leads, and then in my action application, I will take SMTP by Pabbly from where I will send emails, and then in my action application, I will take Google Sheets where the details will be added automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send automated emails to Google Ads leads using SMTP by Pabbly and then add details in Google Sheets. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Ads, SMTP by Pabbly and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on this create workflow. And now I need to enter my workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first, let's name this workflow as how to send automated emails to Google Ads leads using SMTP by Pabbly and add details in Google Sheets. Now I need to select the folder. So these are the folders that I have created and I want to select Google Sheets automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send automated emails to Google Ads leads using SMTP by Pabbly and then add details in Google Sheets, which means whenever a new lead will be generated, an automated email will be sent with SMTP by Pabbly, which means whenever a new lead will be generated, this complete workflow will get triggered. So here in my trigger application, I will take Google Ads and then in my trigger event, I will take new lead form entry. Now I need to make connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect for which a webhook URL is provided to us and this URL will act as a bridge to connect Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk given below over here, we will make this connection and to make this connection, I have to take you to my Google Ads account. So I have opened my Google Ads account in other browser, so I will open that. So here is my Google Ads account and I am not running any live campaign. So this is the test campaign that I have created and over here I need name, first name, last name, phone number, email and the city. So this is how my form will appear when I'll be running a live campaign and if I scroll down, I can see a lead delivery option. So I have to open this and over here I need to enter the webhook URL and then enter the key. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I just need to copy that here. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, copy this webhook URL and simply paste it over here. Now I need to enter the key. So I'll write testing1. Now as soon as I added the webhook URL, this send test data has appeared and as soon as I click on this, a test data will be sent in my Pabbly Connect which will help us know whether Google Ads is connected with Pabbly Connect or not. So when you will be running a live campaign, you will start receiving all your leads in Pabbly Connect following the same process of making connection. So for now, I will click on the send test data, and the test data has been sent successfully. Now I need to go to Pabbly Connect and check whether I have received this response there or not. And over here I can see I have instantly captured the response. The fields that I have selected were city, email, phone number, first name and last name. So over here I can see I have received my first name as first name, my last name as last name. My phone number is this. My email address is test@example.com and the city is Mountain View. This means Google Ads is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to move to my next step, which is action step. So as soon as I receive leads in Google Ads, I want to send emails with the help of SMTP by Pabbly. So over here I will search for application SMTP. And then in my action event, I will select send email. Now click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save. But if you don't have one, click on add new connection. And to make this connection, I have to enter all these details. So host name, username, password, encryption type and port. So I will enter all these details. So I have entered all these details and now I have to simply click on the save. And SMTP is connected with Pabbly. Now I need to enter all these details. So the first is from name. So let's say I want to write this as Pabbly, and then from email as, now I am leaving this field blank, and to enter this I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response from Google Ads, so I will simply click on this and map the email address as test@example.com. So this is the email that I have received and I want to send mail on this email address. So I do not want to enter the CC and BCC email. Now I need to enter the subject. So my subject is, thank you for your interest in prime property. Now I need to enter the email. So I have to enter my email in the HTML text. So I have to use this format. So here I have entered my body of the email address, and now over here I need to enter my lead name, and to enter that I am going to use mapping. So I have received response from Google Ads, and here the name of the lead was first name, last name, and put space between these two. So over here I have drafted my email in HTML format, and you have to do the same. Now over here in my to field, I want to send email to this lead, which is test@example.com, but this is a dummy lead and we received the test response from Google Ads. So for now, I'm going to add one more email address of mine. So for now, I have entered my email address and I will receive this email on my address, and then I will be able to show you the response that I will receive. Now we simply have to click on the save and send test request. And here we can see we have received the response. Status is success. Now I need to open my email and check whether I have received this mail there or not. So here I can see I have received the mail. The lead name was first name, last name. So it reads as, dear first name, last name, thank you for showing interest in prime property. We specialize in finding the perfect real estate solution tailored to your needs. Whether you are looking for a home investment opportunity or commercial property, our team is ready to assist you with expert advice and exclusive listing. We would love to know about your requirements and help you take the next step in your property journey. Please feel free to reply to this email or contact us directly at this number. Looking forward to assisting you. Best regards, Prime Property. So this is the same email that we have drafted in our action step over here, as you can see. So we have received the mail successfully. Now I have to move to my next step, which is I want to add all these details in my Google Sheets. So here I will choose Google Sheets as my next action application and my action event as add new row. Now I have to click on connect. I have already an existing connection, so I will simply go with save. Now over here I need to enter my spreadsheet and then select the sheet. And to enter this, let me take you to my Google Sheets. So this is the Google Sheets I have maintained by the name Google Ads Leads. And I have all these fields: name, email, phone and city. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and from this drop down given below over here, I will choose my spreadsheet as Google Ads Leads. and it has automatically detected the sheet, which is sheet 1. Now as soon as I selected my spreadsheet, all the fields in that spreadsheet has appeared over here, and now I need to enter all these details with the help of mapping. So I have received response from Google Ads. So there my name was first name last name and put space between these two. Then my email address was test@example.com. Then my phone number was this one, and then my city was Mountain View. So over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. If I manually enter the data, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping. Now I simply have to click on the save and send test request. And here I can see I have received the response. Now I need to open my Google Sheets and check whether the details have been added there or not. And here I can see I have received the response. The name was first name, last name, email was test@example.com, phone number was this, and the city was Mountain View. Now to summarize, we took Google Ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We sent the test data from Google Ads and received the response over here, after which we took our action application as SMTP by Pabbly, where we made connection with Pabbly Connect and entered the email from which we want to send this mail. Then I entered my email address on which I want to send this mail and received the mail on my email. Next, I selected Google Sheets as my action application where I made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered my spreadsheet in which I want all these details, entered all these details with the help of mapping, simply clicked on save and send test request and received the response as these details being added in my Google Sheets. So we have successfully created automation between Google Ads, SMTP and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.